Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your deleted games on your Xbox Series X. So if you don't find them on your home screen or anything like that and you accidentally delete it or something like that, you can easily get it back and download it by pressing the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, go to See All, and then scroll on down on here. So under Games, you're going to see all the games that are currently downloaded on your Xbox. So I have like Call of Duty, Destiny 2. Then here's all your applications, but we want to go to full library. These are all the games you ever downloaded to your account, and you can see a little download symbol next to some of these games. So you got Brawlhalla. So I can re-download a game that I deleted. So here's Halo 5. Probably will never play that game again. I'd love to play the Master Chief Collection, but I don't have Xbox Live. Let's go to one of these games and try downloading them. So that's a demo. Overwatch is fun. I like that. So let's go to Overwatch and then go to Install All. Might have to delete another game. So Overwatch is now installing right here. It's in the queue. And I should be able to get it back on my Xbox rather easily. So it's on the home screen now. So I can start playing that. So if you deleted the game, just go to your library and you should be able to find them all under there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.